Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am a very excited jelly mama today because I have got some fabulous products that have been very generously sent to me from SheModern for review. So obviously I've got quite a bit of stuff here, so I'm not going to do it all in one video, so I'm probably going to do one package and go through it like that, but I'll be using these a lot in designs. So this is the package that I'm going to be reviewing today. So they've got their gorgeous iridescent glitters in it and some stencils and things like that. So this is it all out of its packaging. So, oops, sorry, excuse me. I like the fact that you've got these like pop sticks that you can put on it so you can see what, what it looks like. So this is a gorgeous champagne, sort of like bits of Holo iridescent sparkly glitter. This one is awesome. Well, they're all awesome. And I've got this gorgeous pink one as well. And then this one was also put in it, which is a translucent glitter, which has got a blue, it's going to have a blue gold shimmer to it. And you've also got one of these. You can use it as a nail brush cleaner, or you can put water in it to when you're doing your water decals, or you can put acetone in it. Now don't do what I'm doing right now, which is I thought you kind of had to separate it and screw it off kind of thing. So I nearly broke the cap trying to do that. So basically you get this little bit, which I missed, which pops in there, obviously, once you've put whatever it is in, and then you can squeeze it out. So that's what that's for. In the packaging as well, you also receive these stencils. These are kind of like picked at random. You can buy specific ones if you want, but these are a few that are like random. So that's like a little like mixing canvas that you can use. These are water decals, and as you can see, they are gorgeous. They've got like a foil outline. And then I've had a couple of these stencils as well, and you can use the black paper to put some glitter on. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate and show you how to apply the glitters just normally, and obviously to show you the colours. So what I've put on there is a foil glue. So this is the first one that I'm going to be showing you, which is their pink iridescent Holo iridescent glitter. I love the cap on it. It means you don't get glitter everywhere, and you don't have to pour loads out, and it's no wastage basically. But look how sparkly that is. So I've watched a few videos on YouTube. I've watched YouTube clips that SheModern have put on, but I've also been watching Manisha M's and Pumpkin Nail Station's YouTube channels. If you've not seen them, I will put links to them. They have created some gorgeous, gorgeous manis using these products, and their reviews have been really, really helpful to me. So I'm just sort of patting these on with my finger. You could put them on with a brush. I saw the lady that's on SheModern use her finger when she applies it, so I thought I'd give it a go. That's it after it's top coated with a gel top coat. And a good thing to have in your little collection, I'm sure you have, is a lint roller. Look how easy it is to get rid of all that glitter. And then just rub it over your desk station, and that is it. It's all clean again, which I think is really good. So I've gone ahead and put the glitters on these little like practice caps that come with it. So this is a translucent glitter. Now with all of these that I am showing you, there are lots of other colours, so go and check it out on their store. You can get different versions of this. Now I know it looks white, but it will change when I put the top coat on. But it's still quite gorgeous as is. And I don't know whether you can see, but you can see bits of the blue and gold already. So you can use this and have a bit of a shimmery base. I'm sure you could use these in connection with their foils and their stickers and things like that. So obviously this is it over a black base. And obviously I've applied foil glue to all of these swatches. I'm just not showing you with every single one. So see how it transforms with the top coat? And then you've got this gorgeous base. I mean, you can see all the blues and golds coming in. That's awesome. Now, annoyingly, I didn't clean my finger off because I did the red Holo. And obviously that's come on it. But hopefully you can see the blue and gold there. I mean, how pretty is that for a base? Look at all the different, well, just look at it. It's gorgeous. So this is the red Holo. Make sure you check out Pumpkin's Nail Station, because when she did some Holo strawberries, I said that glitter would be perfect if she had some like Dorothy slippers, and you could do it that way, you know, from Wizard of Oz. And I'm pretty sure she said she's going to do something like that. So make sure you watch out for something like that. So this is a gorgeous champagne colour. So I'm going to show you a quick design now. It's a summer themed design. So this is a gel polish. So I'm kind of doing like, obviously at a diagonal angle going across the nail. You don't cure it at this point because you're going to come in with a different colour. This is my Melody Susie one from their Sweet Reverie collection. All details of the products I've used and links, if possible, will be in my description box, as they always are. So you kind of want to blend it a little bit. Obviously clean off your brush before you put it back in, because you don't want a greeny bit contaminating your polish. Then you want to go ahead and apply a layer of the nail foil glue. So I'm going to be applying this translucent glitter just because it's going to, and I'm also adding a different glitter as well. You can use different glitters, you don't just have to use SheModern. So this is the stencil that I am going to use. I've put it against the black just so you can see that wavy edge. So what I think is fantastic about this stencil is it doesn't affect the foil glue that's underneath it, and that will still remain tacky even after I've pulled it off. So that is such an ingenious design, it really is. So you want to make sure it's as flat as possible, really push it down because obviously you want it to be nice and crisp. So this is the Chameleon Glitter that I am putting on for the blue. If you hadn't guessed or it's not obvious, this is meant to be like a beach scene. So you've got the sea and the sand. So really rub it in. Sorry, it's a bit fiddly trying to do it on this magnetic stand. By the way, I got these triangle bits just off eBay. They're real cheapies. I think it comes from China, so you have to wait a bit. But yeah, but they're really handy for glitter like this, because you can just scoop it back in the bowl. In the pot. And then I'm using the like translucent fairy glitter to put it over the sand, just so it adds that little bit of a glisten to the sand, but I didn't obviously want it affecting the colour of it. So that is applied nicely over that, as you can see. So these are their water decals. Now this one you could fill in. So I've got their like little mixing canvas, and I've got this little water bottle, which obviously I've just put water in. And literally you squeeze it, it won't come out until you squeeze it, so that's really good as well. And then you want to cut out the decal. So again, you can get this in so much choice. This has got a red foil outline. You can get it in black, you can get a Holo. You can really sort of pick exactly what you want. So you want to get as much of the like backing paper off as possible, because obviously it is a water decal and that film will transfer. But literally that is about as much water as you need for a little decal like this. So you want to leave it for about 15-20 seconds, take it off. You can see that it's clear. So if you wanted to, you could fill it in, but I'm just going to do it like sandals on the sand kind of thing. So it's going to stick really easy because obviously there's not much water, but you can get a paper towel just to make sure it is all off. But how gorgeous is that? So I did this off camera because obviously the video is already a bit long, but this is the little lady that I've created. I'll quickly show you. It's a Marianne Nails plate. It's from the Professional range and it's #1, and obviously it's that lady there that I have used. But like I say, all details will be in the description box below. So there is a foil glue on top of this white base, and I'll show you why in a moment. Obviously it makes this dry stamping a lot easier because it sticks to it. So I'm glad I'm finally getting the hang of this, because it is much better to do it that way as opposed to, you know, making a decal. Now with the glitter, sorry, with the foil glue, I can go around the edge now where it's white and add this champagne colour, and it's literally going to just stick to where the foil glue is and not particularly on the decal. And you want to rub it all in and brush off any excess off the lady herself. And then you get this gorgeous base, which is really easy to do as well. And obviously you're not using tons of glitter because you're only putting a minimal amount around the lady. So I've gone ahead and applied a no wipe top coat to that. Then I'm going to make her glasses nice and blingy. So again, I've got some foil glue and I'm just going to add it onto the glasses, as you can see here. And then obviously you're going to need to wait for it to dry. It will go clear when it's dry. But you want to make sure it's completely dry before you go ahead, otherwise you can trash your mani. So I know it looks a bit like a carnage at the moment, but it will come together. So I've got off any of the excess and then I'm just going back over with the foil glue just to make, you know, that white powdery bit go away. And there you go. She has got some glitter glasses. She's going to be looking cool this summer. And then I'm going to be using this stencil bit so you can make lines. You can do so many fabulous nail designs with these stencils. Just, you know, you can look on their website, click on videos for inspiration. So I'm going to get a line going across here, because obviously I wanted the white base coming through as well. So yeah, so make sure it is totally flat. It can take a bit of time just placing it down. And I'm going to be using the gold sparkly glitter because obviously I wanted to incorporate all the glitters that I've used so far to kind of match this design up. So there you go. So once you're happy, you peel off and you've got a fabulous straight line. Kind of. I'll get there. And then you want to go ahead and apply a top coat to seal all that glitter in. And then I just finished off by putting the water decal foils on top of it. And this is the end look. Oh, I quickly want to mention as well, if you're doing this on normal polishes, which you can use it with, you'd need to use a water-based top coat if you're using it with these water decal with the foils. But this is the end look. You've got the pretty flower there on her hair as well. So these were really easy to use and you can create some really funky looking designs with them. So I hope you've enjoyed this review. I've really enjoyed playing with it. So be sure to check out future videos where I'll be using more of their products. And yeah, just go check them out. You're going to love them. I love them. I'm sure you will. So that's it, Jelly Babes. Take care. Bye.